62. What an amazing treasure trove the Tao is. The stories and tales are endless. Try to follow the Tao, and we never get there. Yet, every rendering of the Tao is a jewel. The essence of nature, the summation of all possibility, the hidden origin of all being. The Tao enriches everyone, protecting even those who slumber. If a person strays from the path of goodness and brings harm to himself or others, show mercy. Do not deny him. The Tao is resilient, indifferent, eternally amenable. Forget putting the Tao into words. Demonstrate the Tao through who you are. Use compassion, stillness. Distance from the Tao can bring harm, or worse, ignorance. If someone feels torn from the fabric of wholeness, be soft. Receive him. No one is satisfied being part of something when everything is possible. Purge the bad actions, but don't push the person away. When rulers and game changers elevate themselves above the community, don't be seduced by the forces of attention they generate. Showering them with material benefit, adulation, and privilege cannot begin to compare with the treasures of being awakened to the Tao. Adorn them with the fullness of the Tao's potential. Express the stillness of the Tao that unifies everything. Whatever is ephemeral is no match for that which endures. The ancient masters sought wisdom in how existence was manifest, cultivating the soul as the way to access the Tao. Words could not describe the Tao, so they stopped trying words. They learned the depths of stillness by probing silence, the still point around which all existence is woven, turning over the soil of the Tao, one expression at a time. The sage reminds us that within every misfortune is the seed of opportunity for good. Within every expression, the Tao springs forth like an endless aquifer. Search the waters within yourself to find treasures in the depths. But whether you hide or seek, the Tao will always be a refuge. The Tao is the eternal mother of all being and change.